Welcome to our guide on building your very own PC. Today, we'll explore the benefits and satisfaction that come from creating a custom computer tailored to your needs. Let's dive into the essential components you'll need for a basic build: the motherboard, CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage. Choosing the right components can be overwhelming. Be sure to consider compatibility and your specific usage needs while selecting your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage. Before starting, gather the necessary tools and create a suitable workspace. Ensure it's clear and organized to keep everything at hand. Now, let's move into the assembly phase. We'll guide you through installing the motherboard, CPU, RAM, and GPU. Next up is connecting the power supply. Follow the instructions carefully to connect cables to your components properly. Let's add storage solutions. We'll install both SSDs and HDDs effectively for the best performance. Cooling is vital for your PC's performance. We'll look at how to set up fans and heatsinks properly. It's time for the first boot. We'll guide you through the BIOS setup to ensure everything is configured correctly. Finally, we'll walk through the steps to install your preferred operating system, Windows or Linux, to get your new PC up and running.